Module 2, Gathering Information, Orienting, Focusing, and Probing, with a focus on pain. Hello. Today our focus will be to talk about orienting, focusing, and probing. Many of the examples used will be focused on gathering more information about a client's pain. Orient the client. You might have had an orienting statement at the beginning of your conversation or as you transition to a new topic. The purpose of the statement is to orient your client to the topic and focus them on what you want to talk about. Listen to the following orienting statements. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions about your medical history. Let's talk about your supper. What about your surgeries? Okay, so I wanted to talk about the pain you're experiencing. Focus the client. A conversation may ramble. A client's thoughts may wander. You may need questions and statements to bring the client back to the topic. Statements such as the following can focus the client once more on the topic if they have gotten distracted or if the conversation has moved off topic. Let's go back to talking about your pain. You said you were experiencing pain in the hip. You mentioned you had some pain in your abdomen. Can you tell me about it? All right, let's talk a bit more about your pain. So, I wanted to learn more about the pain you're experiencing. Probe. To probe means to ask further questions to encourage someone to add more details or explain their ideas a bit more. Imagine you asked a patient if they were experiencing any pain, and they said yes, they were in a lot of pain. What else could you ask? What else would you need to know so that you could document their pain adequately? Listen to and mimic these probing questions related to pain. Can you tell me more about the pain? Where is the pain? Can you point to it? Does it hurt anywhere else? When did the pain start? How long has it lasted? On a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is no pain at all and 10 is the most severe pain you can imagine, how would you rate your pain? Can you describe your pain? What does it feel like? If they can't answer the open-ended question, you could prompt with some choices. Is it an ache or a cramp? Or is it sharp, perhaps knife-like, piercing or stabbing? Is it dull pain or a burning pain? Is it a pressing or squeezing kind of pain? Does it feel like a vice is squeezing you? Is it a throbbing pain? What were you doing before the pain started? What were you doing when it started? Does anything make the pain worse? If they can't answer the open-ended question, you could prompt with some more choices. Does it hurt more when you cough or move? Does it hurt more when you take a deep breath? Any other symptoms with your pain? If they can't answer the open-ended question, you could prompt with some choices. Are you experiencing any nausea or vomiting, any sweating, any weakness or dizziness, any numbness or tingling? It's important to document responses about pain. The next couple of activities will give you a chance to review language for documenting pain, as well as to continue working on your linking, sentence stress, and intonation. Let's get started.